Lover carers, welcome back to the corner. This is a video of a two-part series about the power of slowing down. So if you didn't catch the last one, feel free to catch up on it before or after this. Today's topic is going to be on slowing down, of course, but in the sense that slowing down can also help us when it comes to emotional regulation. Now, being a carer, a lot of things are happening at once, and often this means we are caught up in the rush of it all, or the busyness of it all, or whatever. We're no longer, the moment that we're caught up in the rush or the busyness of whatever's going on, we are no longer fully attuned to our own emotions. And so, depending on what conversation comes next or what event happens next in your house or in the car or wherever you are, our reaction can come out a little bit loaded or it can have a bit more oomph to it. Trying to find the right words as I'm doing this. So slowing down, one of the most amazing benefits of learning to slow down throughout the day is that you can better prepare for the next event, the next unpredictable thing that might happen, which is very common when there are kids or babies. So when you slow down, you can be more attuned to your own feelings, to your body, and what you need. Maybe it's a break, maybe it's a drink, maybe it's food, maybe it's a moment in prayer, whatever it is. But not only that, but we have to take into account that when we are regulating our emotions, we are going to model that to our kids. So you see how all this ties back to slowing down. It's about being aware of yourself, being aware of what's going on with you so that you can model to your children. And there is such a thing called co-regulation. So depending on the ages of your children, they're depending on you. The younger they are, the more they're depending on you to be able to help them regulate their nervous system and be calm and feel safe and feel connected again. So slow down. It's gonna help you. It's gonna help your child. It's gonna help your relationships. Hope you enjoyed that one.